to evaluate the performance of a manned spacecraft system and evaluate the effects of spaceflight on the astronaut.
Alan B. Shepard traveled the 59 feet up the gantry. The hatch was secured.
For those who watched and waited, an even more basic objective was recognized. Our nation was about to meet the challenge of manned spaceflight. The launch vehicle and the spacecraft, named Freedom 7, were go. The launch pad crews and downrange recovery forces were go.